That's what that is. I'm a true believer that because they're living beings, we don't speak their language, but they're talking. You know, you water them and you can start to smell it. They speak not with words, but with fragrance, really.
Oh yeah, oh wow.
Our mind is a powerful thing, and if we can help instill in the kids here that you're not just your diagnosis, you're way more than that, it shifts the perspective of I'm at the sort of mercy of my condition to, okay, let's actually do something about it. You have the chance to heal, and you actually would be surprised how close it is if you just look in the right spots. Hi, my name is Matt. I'm a research coordinator here in the oncology department. I was born in Tulare. I was raised in Visalia. Went to school at UCSB, and really that's where my love for sustainability and all things nature started to grow. That's why I came back. My job is to read a 700-page protocol, distill it down to a 1-2-pager for a physician or a patient or a family member of the patient, and make it digestible. Clinical research is sort of that, I guess when you say the forefront of scientific discovery, we're right there in the front testing what's new, testing to see if what is new will help or won't help. Roots of Resilience was, on the surface, it's a very simple study where we garden with them, we give them all the information, and really you could just say, okay, go have fun and garden. It shifts the perspective of I'm at the sort of mercy of my condition to, okay, let's actually do something about it. Get your hands in the dirt and actually nurture growth. We're gardening, but we're helping the patient put their best foot forward and develop the skills, even if they're more abstract, more psychosocial in nature, you know, the resiliency. I love the human interaction. I need really to interface with them and talk to them, to just say, hey, we have a garden over there. Their eyes immediately light up. And when the kids walk here and they touch the lamb's ear, and when they touch the different flowers and they touch the different plants and they see there's actually cauliflower growing right there. What in the world? Strawberries grow like that? You know, being able to forget what's going on in there by just coming right out here. It's a couple steps away, but it's a different world. It's indescribable, the effect it has on them, you know, and that translates into better treatment outcomes. You may do something as simple as putting a seed in the ground, but come back a couple months later and you just grew this beautiful, beautiful plant that reminds you, I'm also growing. Our mind is a powerful thing, and if we can help instill in the kids here that you're not just your diagnosis, you're way more than that, and it is not just about these different lab values, it's not just about these different eligibility criteria. You know, you have the chance to heal, and you actually would be surprised how close it is if you just, I guess, look in the right spots.